Alrighty, so today I went to this place called Starbird. I ordered on Grubhub through Yelp. Got there, asked about my order. They said it wasn't ready, and then asked about it again like 5 minutes later. Apparently they didn't put the order in the computer system to go to the kitchen. It was crazy. I had to wait another like 10 minutes. I was real pissed. I got these Nashville hot fries. I ate some in the car. I was pretty hungry. They're pretty alright. And I got what was this thing called? A chicken bacon ranch sandwich. It's kind of like on a banh mi bread with a lot of bacon, and it's supposed to be kind of spicy. We'll see. We'll dive right into this sandwich and see how it is. Oh yeah. Really nice bacon. Real applewood smoky. A little spicy from the slaw. That bacon flavor is really intense. Kind of overpowers everything. This slaw. Maybe it's just lettuce on this one. Maybe it's just lettuce on this one. Oh yeah. Yeah, man. That's a chicken sandwich. A bacon chicken ranch chicken sandwich. But look at this bacon though. This bacon is just, that's real bacon. Like real bacon. Wow. You got chew. A strong chew right there. So if you live in the Bay Area, I went to Starbird in Cupertino. Give it a try. Don't order from Grubhub because it'll fuck up your order. But it's a pretty good sandwich. I give it like a 7 out of 10. Definitely go back and try other things to see how it is. So, alright, thanks for watching.